Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving questions on ages. This topic of quantitative aptitude has no specific formula or characteristics. All the questions of this topic are solved using the knowledge of ratio and proportion, percent, or average. Therefore, we are going to directly solve the questions. We will start solving the questions from easy questions to difficult questions. In this first video, we are solving the basic questions or easy questions. Our question is the ratio of ages of A and B is 5:6. After 7 years, B will be of 43 years. What is the age of A? The given options are option A 30 years, option B 36 years, option C 32 years, option D 38 years. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. This question is very easy question. This can be solved orally. The first oral solution is from options. As the ratio of ages of A and B is 5:6, it means that if we have to find the age of A from the given options, the answer must be divisible by 5, as A is 5 and B is 6. So from the given options, only option A is divisible by 5. It means that the answer is A. Now we solve it by the second method. It is given that after 7 years, B will be 43. So what is the age of B at present? Is 36. 43 minus 7 is 36. And if 6 is equal to 36, therefore, what is the value of 5? 5 is 30 and it is option A. Now I put all these steps for your better understanding. A ratio B is 5:6. The present age of B is 43 years minus 7 years, as 43 years is the age after 7 years. So present age is 36, and if 6 equal to 36 or 6 part equal to 36, therefore 5 parts equal to 36 multiplied by 5 divided by 6, and 6 times 6 is 36 and 6 times 5 is 30. So age of A is 30, and from the given options our answer is option A. Age of A is 30. We go to the next question. Our question is the ratio of ages of A and B is 3:4. 6 years ago, age of A was 21 years. What is the present age of B? The given options are option A 36, option B 27, option C 32, option D 38. Before solving, I will request you to please subscribe to this channel. This question is very easy question. It can be solved orally, as the age of A is 21 years 6 years ago. So the present age is 27 years and the ratio of A is 3, as 3 equal to 27, that is 1 equal to 9, and 9 times 4 is 36, and from the given options the answer is option A 36 years. Now I will solve this question by writing the steps. A ratio B is 3:4. The present age of A is 21 plus 6 equal to 27, and 27 divided by 3 comes out to be 9. So If this is 27, then 9 times 4 is 36. So age of B is 36. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 36 years. The age of B is 36 years. We go to the next question. Our question is, the ratio of ages of A and B is 2:3. 7 years hence, B will be 40 years old. What was the age of A 2 years ago? The given options are option A, 18, option B, 20, option C, 22, option D, 24. Before solving this question, I will request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can solve this question orally, as it is given that B will be 40 years old after 7 years. So the present age of B is 40 minus 7, which is 33. And the ratio of A and B is 2:3. So if 3 divides 33, then we get 11. And 11 times 2 is the age of A, which is 22. Now it is asked, what was the age of A 2 years ago? So we have to subtract 2 from 22 and we get 20. And from the given options, our answer will be option B, 20. Now we solve this question to understand whatever I have solved orally. A ratio B is 2:3. Now the age after 7 years will be 40. So present age, we subtract 7 from 40 and we get 33. This is the age of B. So if we divide 33 by 3, we get 11. So 11 multiplied by 3 gives us 33. And what is the age of A? 2 multiplied by 11, which is 22. And what was the age of A 2 years ago? So we subtract 2 from 22 and we get 20. So the age of A 2 years ago was 20. And from the given options, our answer is option B. We go to the next question. Our question is, the ratio of ages of A and B after 7 years will be 6:7. If the present age of B is 28 years, what is the present age of A? The given options are option A, 23, option B, 24, option C, 30, option D, 27. Before solving this question, I will request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can solve this question orally by 2 methods. One is from the given options. The given ratio is of after 7 years. So what we have to do, we have to add 7 to the given options, and after adding 7, the option must be divisible by 6, as the ratio of A and B is 6:7, and it is asked the age of A. So A is 6. So the given option must be divisible by 6. If we add 7 to option A, it becomes 30. 23 plus 7 is 30, and that is divisible by 6. So our option A might be our answer. If we add 7 to 24, we get 31, which is not divisible by 6. If we add 7 to 30, it becomes 37, which is not divisible by 6. And if we add 7 to last option 27, it becomes 34. That is also not divisible by 6. Hence our answer is option A. Sometimes you may not get such options, so you have to solve it. And the other method of solving orally is, the present age of B is 28. We add 7 for the future age for which the ratio is given. So 28 plus 7 is 35, and if we divide 35 by 7, we get 5, and 5 when multiplied by 6, which is the ratio part of A. So 6 times 5 is 30, and that will be the age of A 7 years hence, or 7 years after the present age. So we have to subtract 7 from 30 and we get 23, and our answer is option A, 23. Now we solve this question, writing all the steps. We are solving this question by shortcut method. The present age of B is 28. So what will be the age of B after 7 years? So we add 7 to 28 and this gives us 35. And we divide 35 by 7, as the ratio of B is 7 in 6:7. So we divide it by 7 and we get this equal to 5. And if we multiply 5 to 6, we get 30. And this is the age of A after 7 years. So we have to subtract for the present age. So we subtract 7 from 30 and we get the present age of A is 23. So our answer is 23 for the age of A, and from the given options our answer is option A. We go to the next question. Our question is, 4 years ago the ratio of ages of A and B was 3:4. If age of B is 52 years, what is the age of A? The given options are option A 36, option B 40, option C 42, option D 48. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can solve this question orally from the given options. The condition here is 4 years ago. That's important. And it is asked the present age. So from the given options, if we subtract 4 and if it is divisible by 3, as the ratio of A and B is 3:4, so A is 3. So if we subtract 4 to go to the 4 years ago, then whatever we get must be divisible by 3. So if we subtract 4 from 36, which is option A, then we get 32, which is not divisible by 3. If we subtract 4 from 40, which is option B, then we get 36. This is divisible by 3. So this might be our answer. Option C is 42. If we subtract 4 from 42, we get 38, which is not divisible by 3. So this is not our answer. And 48, when we subtract 4 from it, we get 44. That is also not divisible by 3. Hence our answer must be option B, 40. Now we solve this question. This again we can solve orally. The age of B is 52, which is the present age. If we go to the age of B 4 years ago, then it will be 48. And 48 when divided by 4, as the ratio of 3:4, 4 is the ratio for B. So 48 when divided by 4, we get 12. And if we multiply 12 to 3, we get 36. That is the age of A 4 years ago. Now we add 4 to 36, we get 40. And that is the present age of A. Hence from the given options, our answer is option B. This is the second method of solving orally. Now I write all the steps so that you can understand how we had solved it orally. The present age of B is 52. So for previous age, which was 4 years ago, we get 52 minus 4 is 48. And 48 when divided by 4 gives us 12. It means that 4 part is equal to 48. So 1 part is 12. Now we multiply 12 to 3. So we get 36. This is the age of A 4 years ago. For the present age, we have to add 4 to 36 and we get 40. And this is the present age of A. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 40 years. We go to the next question. Our question is, 8 years ago, the ratio of ages of A and B was 5:7. If age of A is 43 years, what will be the age of B after 3 years? The given options are option A 49, option B 57, option C 60, option D 61. Before solving this question, I will request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can solve this question orally. Please listen carefully to learn how to solve this question orally. From the given options, we can solve it. If we read the question, we get the word 8 years ago, and the question asked is age of B after 3 years. So the given options are of the age of B after 3 years, and the ratio given is of 8 years ago. So total difference is 11 years, and the ratio of B in A ratio B is 5:7, which is 7. So if we subtract 11 from the given options, the number which we get must be divisible by 7. So if we subtract from 49, which is option A, 11, then we get 38. That is not divisible by 7. So we can eliminate option A. Option B, which is 57. If we subtract 11 from 57, we get 46. This is also not divisible by 7. So option B is not our answer. Option C, 60. If we subtract 11 from 60, we get 49. This is divisible by 7. It means that C might be our answer. And option D, which is 61. If we subtract 11 from 61, we get 50. That is not divisible by 7. Hence, we can say that our answer is option C, 60 years. This we have solved it from the given options. Now you have learnt it how to solve this by given options. Now we solve again it by orally, and you will learn how to do it. The present age of A is 43 years. 8 years ago, the age of A is 43 minus 8 is 35. And 35 when divided by 5 gives us 7. So one part is equal to 7. Therefore, 7 part is 7 times 7 is 49. This is the age of B 8 years ago. Now we have been asked the age of B after 3 years. So 8 plus 3, 11 we have to add in 49, and we get 60. And from the given options, the answer is option C. Now I will write all the steps which I have explained you while solving the question orally. A ratio B is 5:7. The present age of A is 43. So 8 years ago, we subtract A from 43 and we get 35. The age of A 8 years ago was 35, and if we divide it by 5, which is the ratio of A, then we get 7. And if we multiply 7 to the ratio of B, which is 7, 7 times 7 is 49. As the one part was equal to 7, and 7 parts of B, which is 7 times 7 is 49. This is the age of B 8 years ago. And we have to give the age of B after 3 years. So 8 plus 3 is 11, and we have to add 11 to 49, and we get this equal to 60. So the age of B after 3 years will be 60. And from the given options, our answer is option C. This way we have to learn how to solve these questions orally. If we can do it without pen and paper, then we will be able to get success in all competitive exams by solving the questions very fast. We go to the next question. Our question is, the ratio of ages of A and B is 3:5. After 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 68. Find the present age of B. The given options are option A 35, option B 40, option C 45, option D 30. Before solving this question, I will request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can solve this question orally. We cannot solve this question from the given options, as the ratio of B is 5, 3:5, in which B's part is 5, and all the options are divisible by 5, so we cannot say which is the correct answer. But we can solve it otherwise very easily. The sum of the ages after 6 years is 68. So we have to subtract 12 from 68. 6 for the age of A and 6 for the age of B. And if we subtract 12 from 68, we get 56. And 56 when divided by 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 when divides 56, we get 7. So one part is equal to 7. Therefore 5 part, which is the B's age, 7 times 5 is 35. And from the given options, our answer is option A. And if it had been asked what is the age of A, then 7 times 3 is 21. The age of A will be 21 and the age of B is 35. Now I solve it, writing all the steps so that you can understand how to solve it. We are solving this question by shortcut method. A ratio B given to us is 3:5. The sum of their ages after 6 years will be 68. So we have to subtract 12 from it to get the present age. Why 12? 6 for the age of A and 6 for the age of B. So if we subtract 12 from 68, we get 56. This is the sum of the age of A and B, and the sum of this age when divided by 8, as the 3 plus 5, the ratio is 3:5 and 3 plus 5 is 8. So if we divide 56 by 8, we get 7. So each part is 7. So 3 part is 21 and 5 part is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. So age of A is 21, age of B is 35, and it has been asked to give the age of B, and age of B is 35, and from the given options our answer is option A. This way we can solve this question by shortcut method. Here completes this video. Please do lot of practice from different books to solve such type of questions. By practicing, you can become perfect in solving the questions of quantitative aptitude. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.